Before this video starts, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so that you don't miss any future tech tutorials. And in today's video, I'll be showing you how to install Google Chrome on your Mac in 2021. So first, you'll want to open up Safari, which has the compass icon on it. So it's this one. So click on it, and then search up Google Chrome. Just click enter. Now click on the first link, google.com. And here, click on Download Chrome. Now, if you have a Mac with an Intel chip, which most people do, then you can click Mac with an Intel chip. And if you have the latest 2020 Mac, the M1 Mac with the Apple chip, then click Mac with Apple chip. If you don't know which one you have, you can click About This Mac, where if you click this logo at the top left, and then click About This Mac, you can see right here which one you have. I have the MacBook Air 2015. So, alright, I'll click Mac with Intel chip. And at the top right, you can see the progress bar as it's downloading. Okay, now that it's finished, I can click Show Downloads and click on the installation. Double click on it, and it should start. Now I just have to wait about a minute for it to finish. It's only a small installation. Alright, it is done. Now I have to drag Google Chrome into the applications folder. And it's copying. And it's finally done. So now I can close all of this and close Safari. And at the top right, if you see the magnifying glass, you can click on that and click on Google and search Google Chrome as it is now installed. Click enter and it should open up. Since this is the first time you're using Google Chrome, just click open. And there you go, Google Chrome is installed. Now, once you sign into, if this is the first time you're signing into Google Chrome, you'll need to sign in. So up here at the top right, you'll want to click it there and sign in here with your Google account. If you don't have one, you'll need to make one. And that's about it. You successfully installed Google Chrome on your Mac. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you found it helpful.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.